Welcome to the Blockchain Hurricane, answering your questions about blockchain and crypto in under 2 minutes. A little bit of a special one today, just coming back from Paris Blockchain Week. So what are the technologies that have caught my eye around the development of blockchain? Two things in particular. One is decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DeepIn, which will be a completely different video. And the other is the rise of artificial intelligence alongside blockchain. I don't believe that any technology stands alone, and they all complement each other. And in certain cases, they are actually working together. There's a decent amount of skepticism around the thought that, well, actually, blockchain is really just a bit of a slow database, and for AI, you need things a little faster. But the particular things that I have picked up are the use of the decentralized model for people to use different artificial intelligence applications. So, for example, Dfinity have deployed a large language model on chain, although all of their training is still very much centralized. Obviously, you can't be training a computer on blockchain at the moment. And the other thing is agentic AI. So the idea that your computational entity is an agent that is interacting on behalf of an individual, an entity, a corporation, something that works out the filters and actions and links for you and learns and interacts with very different systems. We are also seeing the idea that blockchain provides a sensible set of rails for artificial intelligence with security and verifiability. And this is something that we have picked up a lot in the past around, if you want to be sure of the provenance of the data you're using in AI, then blockchain is the place to look to. So it's interesting to see the discussions that are going on at linking the two technologies, or at least them being complementary to each other. And that feels like the big trend in blockchain right now.